Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have EARFUN Free Pro 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can I easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first go to the settings and then go to connected devices. Here scroll all the way down to connection preferences and tap on Bluetooth. Here you have to disable Bluetooth for a moment, for example 10 seconds or 15, and after that time enable it back. Then check if you can pair with your headphones. If you are not able to do this, you have to disable Bluetooth, go back, and now you have to close the case. Now you have to enable Bluetooth back and check if you're able to pair. If you still can't pair, you have to do a soft reset. To do a soft reset, remove them from your case, put them back after a short period of time, close the case for 10 seconds, and then remove them from the case again. Now check if you can pair with your headphones. If you still can't, you have to do a hard reset, and to know how to do a hard reset, search the full video on our channel. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!